Sunrise, established in 2017, is a technology innovation-oriented enterprise built upon Swiss manufacturing process. Hebei Province, covering a building area of 32,765 square meters. As an integrated company, combining independent R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service capabilities in the automotive after-sales market. Sunrise products include automatic car washing machine series, spray booth equipment series, environmental protection VOCs, equipment and water cycle equipment, workshop cabinet system, and intelligent cleaning equipment. This area is our R&D department office. Next, let's proceed to our paint baking facilities. This showcases our proprietary Stellar series renowned for industry-leading performance. Moving forward, you'll observe our integrated paint baking booths equipped with advanced filtration systems, catalytic combustion systems, and a smart oil platform, collectively ensuring safe and efficient operation with 95% VC removal efficiency. This is our automotive pre-spray booth and sanding workshop. We have precise heating systems, advanced filtration systems, and efficient ventilation systems. Our extended workspace design and smart controllers enhance safety performance. This is our robotic equipment. Future plans include robotic arm integration to replace manual labor with fully automated painting systems. Our production workshop implements 6S management system, involving all employees to improve the production efficiency and capability. This is our fully automatic tunnel car wash equipment. The car wash machine has 13 total length with 4 overhead gantries. Provides multiple combined modes, exterior cleaning, waxing, and drying. Galvanized double-section track roller chains enable easy maintenance and low failure rate. Customizable as per customer requirements. Here is our fully automatic rollover car wash system. Upgraded EV material. Brushes work with high-pressure jets and contour blowers to increase washing speed. Cleaning efficiency improves. This part is VC purification system. Employs honeycomb, carbon regeneration and thermal oxidation technology. Integrating intelligent monitoring to support environmental sustainability goals. This is our integrated warehousing and logistics hub. This is our logistics and storage area, where the shelves are filled with finished products waiting to dispatch. Welcome to Sunrise.